In this video, I transform a wooden plaque from Hobby Lobby into a cute sign using the Cricut vinyl cutter. So I put a base coat on the back of each plaque, and on the front I put a base coat of shellac to prevent bleed through of the oils in the wood. Next, I used Iron Orchid Design stamps. I had this Cricut design already set up in my machine, so I simply put it to work. I made 3 of these since I know I will make more signs like this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.